for the best logo for your brand or company. Then Maria is your faithful assistant. Maria is a professional logo designer with many years of experience in creating unique and memorable brands. She understands the essence of your company and knows how to embody its idea in an unsurpassed logo. Thanks to Maria, you will receive 1. Individual approach. Maria will carefully study your company, its goals and target audience in order to create a logo that will reflect your unique feature. 2. Creativity and innovation. Maria is always on trend with the latest design solutions and will be able to offer original and modern concepts for your logo. 3. Professionalism and quality. Maria uses the most modern programs and technologies to create high-quality logos. You can be sure that the result will exceed your expectations. The name of your company is the key to success. Make it memorable and recognizable with the help of Maria. Contact her today on our website and build your brand with us. Contact Maria, your reliable partner in creating a logo for your company. Write to the email address and message.